Blockchain.com crypto wallet. Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video you're gonna learn how to download and install blockchain.com crypto wallet app. So you can download and install this from Google Play Store and App Store. So it's really easy and available in both the store. So how can you install? So before installing, you will see some main feature in this app. So you can see it's called buy and self custody BTC, Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. So you can see some like self custody your crypto across Bitcoin, discover the world of DeFi, use decentralized application, supported assets. So here you can see some cryptocurrencies, it's supported here. Security features, control your private keys and crypto, set at 4-digit PIN, or use Face ID, secure your account, restore your account with your 12 word value. So here are some feature you can read before installing. So how to install? So simply click install, and it takes few moments to install in your device. So okay friend, today's Norman. Thank you for watching the video.